How to disable Facebook notifications on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on this gear icon at the top right. In this page, scroll all the way down, and then you need to head over to notifications. Move into any of the options from here in which you want to disable the notifications off. If you want to turn off the notifications of the friend request, all you gotta do is toggle off all of these buttons. Once done, you won't be receiving any of the notifications of the friend request. Similarly, move into any other option and toggle off these options. Well, in case if you want to turn off all the notifications, then head over to settings of a device. Scroll down and move into notifications. Source for the application Facebook and then move into it. Turn off this option of allow notifications at the very top. After that, you won't be receiving any of the notification from Facebook, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.